call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hi guys, so the video you're about to see is of me when I first got the keys to my place. That day was a hot mess. I didn't have no makeup on. I was tired. I was ripping and running. And I was just like literally out of breath or whatever because your girl done gained weight. But that's not here nor there. Or whatever. I'm still cute. But if you want to see this video of me and my first reaction to my new place and getting the keys and giving you guys a tour, then keep on watching. Hey, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Excuse me, I look a hot mess, but today is move-in day. And I just got the keys to my new place and I'm excited. So I wanted to come and give you guys ooh, I look a hot mess. Ooh, Jesus. Edge is not laid, nothing. Anyway, I wanted to give you guys a empty apartment tour, just to show what I'm working with before I decorate and everything. Ooh, I look a hot mess. We're gonna put this on or whatever, but let's get to this tour. Okay, guys, so that's all for right now. Eventually, I plan to do a full apartment tour. You may get a little glimpse of my house because I plan on doing clean with me videos, different things like that. So if you would like to see a video of a fully furnished apartment, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.